How to download and install EaseUS Data Recovery. First, open your web browser. Go to Google, search EaseUS Data Recovery, and go to the official website. Click on the free download button. And the installer file will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, click to run the installer. If prompted, allow permissions for the software to install. Now follow the setup wizard. Click Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. Once done, EaseUS Data Recovery opens automatically. Now you are ready to start recovering your files. The free version only recovers up to 2 GB files, while the Pro version unlocks advanced features for larger file recovery. And that's how you can download and install EaseUS Data Recovery. Thanks for watching.